You see that one day when you go just wake up, everything go just get as e be for your eye, imagination go just full your head. Now that day na im be today so. At least if you watch the video reach the end, you go sha understand wetin I dey talk. Not your regular Benny Omoido wey go just dey carry the smile wey put it for camera. Oh yeah, now make we gather make this sauce when I no even know the name when I go call am. But if you test am, you go bite your mouth. Thank God say the bad mood no affect my stomach. As me and my family member don tire for rest you, now my spirit tell me say baby girl do something. Carry myself enter inside freezer, comot all this turkey and turkey ebo, cut am. This one na all the pepper and pepper ebo, onions and ginger and garlic. Carry all of them, pour am inside my food processor. Now let's try the Niger and Niger ebo. Use am do what? Grade and gradable pepper. Now pour am inside. Come dey press the one wey dey write chalk put. You come dey do gree. Pack all my ingredients, come out, come go put am inside plate. Carry all the turkey, pour am inside pot. Add all the ingredients inside. Add my scotch bonnet pepper and ginger and garlic. Come pour all this pepper mix, pour am inside. Green, yellow and red pepper, pour am inside. Then come go wash my hand, wear my hand gloves, use am mixy zolo everything inside. Forget the camera mixy. I really drop my phone, mix am well. Carry this my oil, pour am inside. This one na olive oil. Pour am inside finish. Come go carry my hand again. Use am still mix am, wolo everything put inside. Add more ingredients and salt put as the spirit lead. Pour am put finish, then come go cover am, leave am for 1 hour 30 minutes. Then that time so you no fit waste. Come go use am dey do the cleaning and cleanable. Arrange all the thing when I don scatter full everywhere. This same process of this turkey so you fit still use am for your chicken, you fit still use am for your goat meat, you fit still use am for your beef. If you just wan use am while dey wait time, like say stew don tire you, I mean rice stew don tire you, as e take tire me so, like I no wan even use eye see am at all. Anyway, now I don arrange am finish. Come go carry my pot, come out, wash am, put am on top fire. Come go dey find my olive oil dey go, like when you dey find needle hole for old age. Madam, who do you? I don finally see am. Pour small inside that pot. This one na the one wey we don cover for 1 hour 30 minutes. Come go use plate zolo am, come out, pour am inside the oil. Come be like say you dey fry am. The process of frying, you are still cooking it. No add single water put inside. No talk say I no tell you. If you wan use this same process, turn am with your strength, cover am for there. Now to put rice come out. I don dey find rice when I go cook, when go soft peke. I get 2 different rice for there. I got to carry the one when be say e go soft well. Pour am inside my pot. Now come cover am, put am inside fire, make e dey cook. Now make we check on this one. Na to turn am very well. At this point, check am whether everything enter inside well. Like, I'm not even kidding. If to say I get neighbor, therefore don't carry plate, knock for my door, say, Benny, what are you cooking? Because everywhere was wihin. It was smelling good, smelling nice. Like the aroma was everywhere. Guys, can you see how choco is doing inside the pot? I can't turn am at this point. You got to dey mix am very well because that ingredient na bomb. Remember, say at this point we never add one single water, na still the turkey water. Anyway, make we wash our rice, come put small salt, I mean a pinch of salt, as salt not too good for body. Like, who is seeing my face? Madam, who dey fight you? Anyway, come pour all this garnishing and garnishable just to give it that good aroma, to bring it back alive, fresh and freshable. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Anyway, who is seeing the rice? It's making peke. Anytime I want cook my red oil rice, now this rice I dey use this particular one, so because it go make am make peke like banga rice of those year. Jesus, are you seeing the sauce? Are you seeing it? Because if you know say you wan try am, make sure say you follow the direct process, the right ingredient, because you go bite your tongue, your family go request for more. At this point, my mind come just dey do double. I come dey reason say this thing say go sweet for pepper soup. I mean the same method though. I say okay, maybe the next day I go add pepper soup spicy, join the water, cook am, add more potato, join her again, because I got to enjoy this food in 2 different ways. Abeg make una leave me my eat.